Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I was going to unbox a Diamond Art Studio painting today. However, the ones I have are both showing us out of stock, so I thought that's mean. So I don't know if this one is in stock or not. However, I am very eager to open this one up. I know that Diamond Art Studio will be restocking theirs, which is why I would rather wait until it's in stock to unbox it. But with Dreamer Designs, I never know. So I if it's going to go in my stash, I need to get it unboxed. But this is one that I purchased between Christmas and New Year. So if anybody has been following my videos for a while, you will know that I purchased White Christmas from Dreamer Designs. Absolutely love that painting. You can see quite a few videos on it on my channel, from the unboxing to the framing, the kitting up, the de-kitting, it's all there. Absolutely adored it. It was very much as soon as I've got this, I have to do it. I spent November finishing it up, so it sort of sneaked in to start being worked on, and then I decided in November that it was going to be the painting I worked on throughout the month, and it was finished and up for Christmas. Now, between Christmas and New Year, I also saw this painting, and I couldn't leave it. I could not leave it. It is another Christmas image. I know it's February. No, it's March. It's March. And I'm unboxing a Christmas painting. But you know what? I'm not sorry. Because, oh my goodness me, how many diamonds must be in this? This is well and truly wedged in the box. Okay, come on. Don't tell me I've got the tie. Oh, the tie's stuck on the handle. Okay. So they do provide these in these bags. However, these handle things, as handy as they are, if you need to carry the painting, are actually really annoying. Okay, let's see if it's, there we go. See, the handle was stuck on it, so I've taken the handle out. Now let's have a look at the gorgeousness that is this image. We do get a nice toolkit from Dreamer Designs. I'm just going to do a quick run through. I've unboxed a few Dreamer Designs recently, so I'll just show you what you get in it. But you get a tray with a divider, pen, tweezers, multi-placers, wax, squishy and baggies. Oh, there's actually 2 pens and 2 squishies. So quite a little selection, but I have gone in sort of a bit more detail on the toolkit in my other videos. I don't need the toolkit, but I do need this painting in my life. It is absolutely stunning. So let's get in it and I will show you as it unrolls. Which way up are we? This way. It is a poured glue, so even though the canvas has got quite a bit of a bashing at the bottom, but this is called Decking the Halls. It is by the McNeil Studio, which is actually the same one that White Christmas was on, but oh my goodness me, this seems bigger. This seems well and truly bigger. What size is this? Oh, it is bigger. 120 by 60. My other one, I'm pretty sure, was 90 by 60. But look at this. How gorgeous is this picture? It's got a different vibe to White Christmas, that of course is all whites and creams. This has definitely got a lot more of the red and green. But it looks like the same room from a different angle. We still have the bookcase. We have the couches. Oh no, we do have a chair over here rather than a couch. We've got presents, we've got the fire. Sorry, I was using a backup battery and it lasted like all of 5 minutes. So we have staircase going up. Then it's very hard to get all of this in shot. So I will put a link to their website to say I'm not sure at this present time if it's in stock or not, but you do have the option to put it on a wish list. We've got a rocking horse, we've got the lamp, the window, snow out the window. It just grabbed me. It grabbed me. So where'd that sticker sheet go? Here it is. So this is the image, if you can see. Look at how beautiful that is going to be. So we have 67 different colours. 5 of those are ABs. So we have a white AB, which is on a lot of the trim of Santa, of course. That is mainly on his suit. And then I'm having a look because it's not sort of on the trim. There is some in the white in the garland. It's not like doing the whole of the bookcase. So it's primarily Santa's suit, white parts. A little bit in the garland, a little bit in the stocking, and then in a few places on the tree. The tree sort of garland has the ABs on there. So I like that kind of placement. So I do like Dreamer Designs AB placements. I have said it in the past, but I am very fond of theirs. Then we have what they call AB 37, which is a pale yellow. And I will have a look at the diamonds in a moment. But we have a little bit on the present down here, just a smidge on that present. We also have a little bit on the presents in Santa's sack. Do we have any more? It's actually, there's not a lot of that one. I'm not seeing any more. There could be a little scattering, but that is where I'm primarily seeing that colour, in those 2 places. Then we have AB 666, which of course is the red. There is a lot more of that. So there is some in the lampshade. It's not in the curtains, but it is in the lampshade. There is some here. If my light doesn't reflect too much, here on the cushion. Then we have some on the present here. We have quite a bit on these present bundles, or present and bundles down the bottom. Santa's suit has some. These presents have some. This decoration on the table has some. And again, it's just a scattering. Some of them, there's only like 4 within a berry. But there's a little bit in each of the berries. There is some on this bow as a highlight. There's some little touches of it in the garland around the fire. There is some in the stocking. There is some in the nutcracker. There is some in these presents down here. There's a little bit on this cushion. It's actually like a little bit of a checkerboard cushion. There's some spots of it. There is also spots of it all within the decorations on the tree. There isn't any on the garland on the stairs, but there is on the tree. So that's the biggest AB one. Then we have 740, which is an orange. That one is in the fire. So the flames that you can see orange, not the yellow, but the the orange flames are all this AB. I'm not seeing any other. Doesn't mean there is none, but I'm definitely not seeing anything else. So I think we only have the orange in the flames. And then last but not least, we have AB 963, which is like a pale pink. Oh, I've just seen some of that pale yellow just on the bridge of Santa's nose. I knew there could potentially be a couple of little bits of AB that I missed. But anyway, let's go back to the pale pink. I'm not seeing it in Santa. I am seeing it in some of the presents. So we do have a present bundle and a single present just down here tucked. There's just a little bit on the top of this bow. Apart from that, it's mainly the red AB. Where else? Do we have any more anywhere else? We do. We have just a little bit of this line around this present. Is also that pink. We have a little bit in the Nutcracker. There's none in the wreath, but there is a little bit either side of the garland. There is a little bit of that pink. There is a little bit in this bauble on the tree and this bauble on the tree, but not all of them. And there is a very little scattering up the stairs. So that's where the AB comes in on the stairs. We have these little baubles and it's like one AB in each bauble where it's like the reflection coming off the AB. So yeah, we have one up there. So it's definitely primarily red ABs. But to show you the diamonds, so if you can see, let's see if I can show you without unwrapping it all too much, because that's when we get in trouble. But this is the white AB that is primarily in Santa. So you do get quite a chunk of that. But then the yellow AB that I said was only in a couple of places, you don't get many. Same with the orange, there's not many of those. But then there is a lot of the 666 red. So it is primarily the white and the red that you get ABs in. What was the white one again? The letter R, which is in Santa, is in decorations on all of the tree. Decorations, yeah, it's in some of the decorations on sort of the fireplace. There's, oh, that's part of Santa's suit. There's some in the stocking. So there is quite a few places that you get the whites, and then a lot of places that you also get the red, and then again the pink. There's not too many of the pink. So they're your AB colours. There is quite a few 3865. For the other whites, we have 4 different bags of those. So there's still a lot of white in what looks like the couches primarily, and some of the woodwork. The woodwork around the fireplace, the chair, the couch are primarily white, and then have the red cushions. But absolutely gorgeous colours. This one is a square. Look at that green. What's that? 3072. Number 1. Oh, that's the highlight colour on the couch. The couches and around the fireplace. So you've got white going round the outside, and then it's actually this gorgeous green on the inside, that when you put that with white, it gives it that off-white tone. Got quite a lot of beige, but I'm completely fine with that. I've done White Christmas. This has more colour than White Christmas. It is definitely bigger. I knew it was big. I forgot it was this wide. But I'm not bothered, because frankly, I love him. And I think he's going to look absolutely beautiful at Christmas time as another diamond painting for Christmas. We shall see what time of year he gets done, but he's definitely going into my stash to get done in the future. Look at that fire. That just looks, I don't know, just the detail in it just looks absolutely beautiful. So I can't wait to do Santa and his sack and another McNeil Studio diamond painting from Dreamer Designs. So yeah, let me know what you think. Say, I know it is March and I'm talking Christmas, but I'm not going to apologise for it because I absolutely love it, and this one needs to go into my stash to be done as a Christmas paint. I'm not normally sort of a themed holiday necessarily diamond painter. I'm more than happy to do things that are very generic and will work any time of year. But I have absolutely fell in love with both of these McNeil Studio paintings. I do have Christmas decorations and things, but I don't necessarily think big artwork pictures just for Christmas until I saw White Christmas and this one. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I will pop links and that down below so that you can check this out or even check his other artwork out. That might be a button I press in a bit. But anyway, thank you for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon.